thing, wave mechanical concept. This very important concept. What is it? Wave. First, I am going to start mechanical.
Sir, record. Yes, sir. Record ஆயிட்டு தாங்க
So,
இருக்கு.
yes, so we are going to start with the wave mechanical concept. Apna wave mechanical concept explain பண்ணதாரு அப்படினா we start de Broglie. Okay, de Broglie concept that the relation between waves and particles. So we are going to discuss that. What is the relation between wave and particles? We will discuss one by one. So what is nothing but what is it? De Broglie wavelength. This is very important. I'll enter into the that is very better for a quantum mechanics. So de Broglie wave. So de Broglie wave is nothing but de Broglie function, or else we can say it is de Broglie wavelength. How can we calculate de Broglie wavelength? Under this de Broglie wavelength and this one, என்ன explain பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னா see under this one. So de Broglie explains that. So very important thing. He assumed that. Okay, this assumed that the particle is associated with the wave, or else we can say wave is associated with the particle. அப்படின்னா waveக்கும் some point la particle க்கும் relation இருக்குன்னு assume பண்றாங்க. This is very important. De Broglie assumed that wave is associated with the particle. Associate with the particle. Okay, very important thing. Moves in this motion. So particle in motion எப்படி define பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா is nothing but this very important thing. Okay, that is nothing but matter wave. This very important thing. Matter wave. It is not a simply wave. Okay, so wave is matter is nothing but understand this. Matter is nothing but it is a particle nature. Okay, wave is nothing but it is a wave nature. Understand this one. So this matter wave has a dual nature, both particle as well as wave nature. So we can say it is nothing but the matter wave is nothing but it is a wave has the dual nature. This is very important. So this we can say it is nothing but duality. Now duality na enna apna particle nature irukku as well as wave nature. This is very important. Yes, dual nature. This is very important thing. Now in the wave matter edutha apna or else matter wave or else wave matter. This is very important. Apna in the wave matter na enna? This is very important thing. Apna wave matter edutha apna see it is nothing but wave matter or matter wave is nothing but what is the property of that matter wave? Okay, it is a localized important thing. Localized particle in a wave nature. This is very important. அப்படினா அந்த waveல என்ன இருக்கும் particle இருக்கும் and also அந்த particle என்னவா convert பண்ணலாம் wave ஆ convert பண்ணிக்கலாம். This is very important thing. What is that? The localized with the particle localized அப்படினா so என்னால position momentum simultaneously பண்ண முடியும். அதான் என்ன சொல்லலாம் localized னு சொல்லலாம். Okay, there is nothing but localized in the particle has okay what is it has a wavelength. So we can say wavelength. Okay, that is nothing but lambda. This is very important thing given by wavelength. Okay, apna the localized wave is nothing but the matter wave. அப்படினா இப்ப பாருங்க இப்ப நான் எடுத்துட்டேன் அப்படினா see understand this one wave. Okay, so it is not a simple wave. Okay, in the simple wave என்னவா இருக்கும் particle இருக்கும் and also this particle exhibit wave nature. That is nothing but wave matter or else we can say matter wave. ரெண்டுமே இருக்கு particle nature இருக்கும் as well as wave nature இருக்கும். That is nothing but it is a matter wave. That is nothing but localized wave னு சொல்லலாம். That's very important. So இந்த wave length எப்படி define பண்ணலாம் அப்படினா சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். What is it equal to what value? Lambda is equal to h divided by h nothing but p. This is very important. Yes, what is the p is nothing but h. What is the p? What is the h? What is the h?
Constants.
Planck's constant. What is the value for Planck's constant? What is the value for Planck's constant?
6.6 joule second.
34. What is it? 34 joule second. This is very important. Okay, this is very important. What is the p? What is the p? That is nothing but the momentum of the particle. Momentum of the particle. This very why it is the wave nature because lambda is nothing but wave nature. Momentum is nothing but it's a particle nature. So that in the matter wave என்ன இருக்கு wave as well as particle nature. This is very important. This relation is given by de Broglie. So what is the height divided by what is value here? M into p. There is nothing but momentum. Yes or no? Everyone understood, right? Yes or no? So So if you see here,
Yes,
it's
sir.
very important thing. Yes, lambda, we are writing that because we know that kinetic energy relation, very important thing, momentum. What is the kinetic energy momentum? It's nothing but E. Kinetic energy is nothing but P square divided by 2m. If you want to calculate momentum, what is the formula for momentum? Yes. So it is root under 2m
So it's
kinetic energy. Yes or no? Can we substitute here? This very important thing. Another formula on first equation, because we are going to solve this problem based on this equation. This is very important thing. Up in what is the value? That is nothing but lambda is equal to height divided by root under 2m kinetic energy. Okay. Now, Purushala, what is the formula? Lambda is equal to h by p. Then lambda is equal to height divided by root of 2m kinetic energy of the particle. Kinetic energy of the particle. இப்போ பாருங்க, it's a third formula. Particle is moving in a potential. See, இப்போ நான் எடுத்துட்டேன் அப்படின்னா, so I'm considering the electric field. What is the charge particle? Is moving in an electric field. See, this is very important thing. As moving in, it will accelerate. Whenever charge particle is placed in an electric field, it accelerates. So we can say it is nothing but accelerated potential. We can call it accelerated potential, which is related to potential kinetic energy. This very important relation. Relation is nothing but kinetic energy E in the corresponding potential. This nothing but it is a potential, accelerated potential. This is very important thing. Okay, what is B? So that is nothing but accelerated potential, and E is nothing but charge. Then there is nothing but kinetic. Can we substitute here? This very important relation. Then lambda is equal to height divided by root under 2m. What is that? This one relation. The relation. Okay, understood, right? This is very important relation for, because we can calculate once namukku potential therinjiruchu appadina we can calculate what is the corresponding wavelength of the particle. Yes sir, no? You're getting my point, everyone? Yes. So here see here, height is equal to constant. Okay, 2me is all everything constant. எதை பொறுத்து தான் டிபெண்ட் ஆயிருக்கும்? Proportional to, inversely proportional to what? Inversely proportional to root under what is it? The accelerated potential. This is very important relation. அப்படினா accelerated potential எவ்வளவு அதிகமா இருக்கோ அப்ப lambda என்னவா இருக்கும்? Lambda என்னவா இருக்கும்?
increase.
Because inversely proportional. See here, I understand this one. Yes, அப்படினா இப்ப பாருங்க, understand this one. இப்ப particle நான் வச்சிருக்கேன். Okay. So accelerated potential I am applying E ங்கற ஒரு apply பண்றேன். Okay, if it is a 50 volt ன்னு எடுத்துக்கேன்னு வெச்சுக்கேன். 50 volt. அப்படினா இது எப்படி மூவ் ஆகும்? So அதிக வேவ்லென்த்ல மூவ் ஆகும். But if it increases 100 degrees Celsius, 100 degree, okay, 100 volt என்ன ஆகும்? வேவ்லென்த் என்ன ஆகும் சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். வேவ்லென்த் அதிகமாகும், ஸ்பீட் என்னவாகும்? வளரும். It is more increases. அப்படினாங்க பாருங்க, எப்படினா இப்படி மூவ். Yes or no? You're getting my point? There's a relation between the potential and the wavelength. Yes or no? You're getting my point? அப்படினாங்க பாருங்க, low potential, high wavelength, high potential, what is that? Low wavelength. So which one? Okay, wavelength. Okay, what is the de Broglie wavelength? De Broglie wavelength. So I'm going to calculate de Broglie for two different particles. Okay, so there's nothing but, first one is nothing but charged particle, neutral particle. First one I'm going to calculate what is it? Charged particle. Charged particle. So next I'm going to calculate what is a neutral particle. And okay, neutral particle. Yes. So if is charged particle, rendu charge irukku, one is the positive charge, another one is the negative charge. If it is a negative charge, okay, it's nothing but electron. This is nothing but what is it? It is a proton. This is an important thing. Apina electron edutha apina, what is the value for lambda? Is nothing but 12.2 electron volt divided by root V. 12.2, okay, not electron volt, it is an Armstrong. Okay, what is the lambda for electron? What is the electron? What is the electron value? Lambda value?
12.2 Armstrong 12.2 divided by root V.
Yes, root V. If you see here, okay, the accelerated potential V is equal to 4 volt. Okay, what is the lambda? Calculate பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். What is the lambda? டக்குனு சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம்.
6.1.
Yes, 6.1. What is the unit?
6.1.
Armstrong.
That is what is the unit? That is nothing but Armstrong. So the 6.1 is nothing but Armstrong. That's very important thing. Proton everything happen. Lambda is equal to 0.28. Okay, Armstrong divided by root V. what is that? 0.28 p. So if it is a lambda root accelerated potential, if you use the accelerated potential, is nothing but 16. So what is the value of lambda? What is the accelerated potential? What is the lambda?
.7.
Yes, so what is that? What you will get? 0.7. Yes, sir. Now we are going to call this neutral particle. Neutral particle or wavelength, see, lambda is equal to height divided by root under 3 kpt. This is very important thing. So what is a neutral particle? It is a 3 kpt. So what is the k here? Kb is nothing but it is a Boltzmann constant. Boltzmann constant. So either way, neutral gas all about this. See, if it is a neutral gas is nothing but what is it? Gas. It is a gas particle. So lambda is equal to height divided by root under 2 kpt. This is very important thing. So here is represented as the degree of freedom. Okay, 3 is nothing but degree of freedom. Here it is nothing but 2 degree of freedom. Yes or no? Everyone, that is nothing but using superposition principle. This is very important. Apina, see, this very important concept. This is the basic concept. Understand? Superposition principle. So what is the superposition principle, Apina? See, this very important thing. The group of wave. Okay, so very important thing. So what is the definition of that superposition principle? So understand this one. Even though I'm going to discuss that clear idea. That is a group of wave superimpose with each other. This is very important thing. Superimpose with each other. This understand that with each other constructively, because now if constructively, because so ரெண்டு வேவ் இங்க பாருங்க ரெண்டு வேவ் சூப்பர் இம்போஸ் ஆகும்போது என்னென்ன கண்டிஷன் நமக்கு கிடைக்கும் சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம் என்னென்ன கண்டிஷன்
Destructive and constructive.
Constructive interference, destructive interference. That's why the group of waves superimpose with each other constructively. This is very important thing. Where the particle is present. Apina constructive interference ஆச்சு அப்படினா அங்க particle maximum ஆ இருக்கும் and wave also maximum. See here constructively interference, okay, where the particle is constructively, where the particle is present, where the particle, this very important thing, is present. Okay, present. Okay, destructively சொல்லும்போது என்னவா இருக்கும்? Destructively
Absent.
particle is absent. Destructively, where the particle is absent, where the particle, this very important thing, particle is absent. This wave is nothing but what we can say. This super principle or superimposed which wave is nothing but. So this wave is called. What is that? That is nothing but understand this one. What is it? This wave is called. Else we can say this group of wave is called. We can say it is nothing but this group of wave is called. This group of wave is called. Very important concept. One irundha na one wave solna, but it is a combination of wave appadina. That is nothing but it is a packet. It is nothing but what is a packet? That is a wave packet. Understood, right? Everyone? Appadina wave packeting is when appadina it is nothing but it is a combination of waves. Yes or no? See, understand this one. So a group of waves superimpose with each other constructively.
Sir.
Okay, constructive இருந்துச்சு அப்படினா particle ஓட maximum இருக்கும். Destructive இருக்கும்போது particle minimum இருக்கும். Understand this one. எப்படி நான் கால்குலேட் பண்றேன் அப்படினா see here I am going to draw this clearly how it is going to represent here. So இங்க பாருங்க it is a combination of wave constructive and destructive interference. Is that? So we are going to calculate here. So என்னவா இருக்கும் அப்படினா minimum wavelength இருக்கும், then maximum increase ஆயிட்டே இருக்கும். ஒரு certain pointல maximum wavelength கிடைக்கும், again என்ன ஆகும்? It is a minimum. Yes or no? So apina, so this combination of maximum and minimum, so we can say it is nothing but what is that? That is nothing but wave packet. Yes or no? Are you getting my point? Everyone? Apina, see inga parunga, in this point, in this 2 point, it is a maximum wavelength. There is a maximum height. Yes or no? Maximum peak. Apina, in the combination of wave ஓடவே இந்த இடத்துல wavelength என்னவா இருக்குன்னு சொல்லலாம்? அதிகமா இருக்குன்னு சொல்லலாம்ல? Or else we can say amplitude is high. Yes or no? The amplitude is high. So if you see, இப்ப நான் exact பிரிச்சேன் அப்படினா, So in the point line சொல்ல amplitude is maximum. அப்படினா the particle ஓட probability என்னவா இருக்கும் அப்படினா in this point that is nothing but constructive in reference. So இது constructive in reference. This is the meaning of it. A group of waves superimposed with each other constructively where the particle is present. Am I audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So again,
So, அப்படினா
more
இந்த
means-
maximum சொல்றேன். So இங்க பாருங்க because it is constructive அப்படி சொல்லும்போது the maximum wavelength okay or else maximum amplitude இருக்கும்போது the particle is present நான் சொல்றேன் maximum present அப்படினா the probability of finding the particle இப்ப பாருங்க இங்க நான் இருக்கேன் இங்க நான் இருக்கிறதுக்கான probability என்னவா இருக்கும்
One.
what is the probability
Maximum.
உங்க பிளேஸ்ல நான் இருக்கிறதுக்கான probability என்னவா இருக்கும்
0.
0.
0 சொல்ல அப்படினா probability என்ன சொல்ல 1 0 ல வேரி ஆகும் அப்படினா இந்த இடத்துக்கு maximum amplitude இருந்துச்சு அப்படினா amplitude understand this one amplitudeங்கிறது it is a wave nature okay அத நான் பார்ட்டிகிளுக்கு ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்றேன் once amplitude maximum இருந்துச்சுனா அப்படினா probability of finding the particle அங்க என்னவா இருக்கும்
Maximum.
maximum இருக்கும் yes அப்படினா the particle probability என்னவா இருக்கும் particle probability என்னவா இருக்கும் particle probability in this point
Maximum.
என்னவா இருக்கும் maximum okay because amplitude is maximum yes sir no you are getting my point
Yes, sir.
yes this is very important thing apina maximum ங்கிறது என்ன apina that is nothing but 1 maximum because maximum probability ஓட value 1 apina இங்க பாருங்க இங்க இருக்கும்போது 1 எடுத்துட்டா apina இங்க என்னவா இருக்கும் 1 விட கம்மியா இருக்குமா இல்ல சேமா இருக்குமா
கம்மியா இருக்கும்.
கம்மியா அப்படினா இது any particle in this point
0 இருக்கும்.
probability of finding a particle this point what is it probability of finding the particle என்னவா இருக்கும் probability of finding the particle என்னவா இருக்கும்
Minimum or 0, sir.
yes it is 0 வா இருக்கும் finding the particle என்னவா இருக்கும் that is nothing but 0 yes or no so apina classical quantum mechanics we are going to deal with probability that's nothing but 1 and 0 yes or no apina part 1 if it is not is equal to 0 appo the constructive இருக்கும்போது the particle is maximum destructive இருக்கும்போது the probability or particle finding the in this point என்னவா இருக்கும் minimum ஆ இருக்கும் yes or no அப்படினா so we can calculate position calculate பண்ணிரலாம் once நமக்கு position தெரிஞ்சிச்சா can we calculate momentum
Yes, sir.
yes we can calculate easily momentum also we can calculate that's why we are using that group of wave that is nothing but wave packet okay understood right yes or no so this packet has energy okay so this wave packet has energy what is that so we can say it's nothing but quantum okay this wave packet has energy what is the energy is equal to h nu this it is a constant okay that is nothing but quantum